Do you want beautiful, silky, smooth skin all over, but hate shaving your legs or suffering through painful waxing? Even smelly depilatories that can irritate your skin? What about dry, patchy skin? But these body scrubs can be so abrasive. Don't forget your feet. You scrape and scrape to get rid of the rough skin. Finally, there's a fast, easy, and painless way to pamper your skin. Introducing Dermaceda, the amazing beauty breakthrough that gives you radiant, silky skin. First, Dermaceda is the world's most remarkable hair remover. Just turn it on, glide along, and the hair is gone. The secret is the Derma Crystal Pad that rotates up to 550 times a minute. The ultra-fine crystals stimulate the hair follicle to open while painlessly buffing away hair for maximum results. Plus, at the same time, it exfoliates dry, flaky skin for a healthier, rejuvenated look and feel. Simply attach the body buffer pad and add your favorite lotion for a remarkable moisturizing treatment. The Foot Smoother removes especially rough skin from your heels for baby soft feet. Just look at the difference. With Dermaceda Spa, you get everything you need to have radiant, glowing, sexy skin. Dermaceda is so quick and easy, and it's portable. Use it anywhere, even while watching TV. It's perfect to take with you to work for touch-ups or when you're on the go. And Dermaceda is great for everyone. Rediscover your man's smooth back. Why spend a fortune at the spa? With Dermaceda, you can have all of the benefits of spa treatments at a fraction of the cost of one single visit.